What is up, Pop-Tarts? Welcome back to another video. Today, I got a new Dogman book. And I'll be showing you my Dogmans. If you haven't seen my Dogman collection, this will be your chance to see them right now. So yeah, I got my whole stack right here. There's Owen. See mine? It's only one book. He only has one book. And guess what it is? A Hot Wheel book. He's going into kindergarten learning.
So I'm keep this book till
1 o'clock, yes. His friends coming here.
Yeah, that's all.
And it's 1 o'clock. So Owen, can you go? I'm trying to. So I got a whole stack of Dogman books, and I got the new book. I'll tell you it once I get it out. Okay. First book, Dogman Unleashed. It's the second book. I absolutely love it. It's great. Second, the sixth book. Dogman Brawl of the Wild. Yep, his friend's here. When his other friend Noah is here, they go crazy. Next, we got Dogman. Oh, this is the sixth book. If I didn't tell you, I think I told you. Dogman Brawl of the Wild is the sixth book. Here we got Dogman and Cat Kid, the fourth book. It's not the best. It's okay. That's what I would say. Got the Dogman, the first book. It has all the other books have better drawings, but this is the first Dogman book, so you don't have to expect like super good drawings. We got the fifth book, Lord of the Fleas. Okay. And the last one I have is Dogman for When the Ball Rolls. The newest book. It just came out today at Target. I think it just came out today. And I read it. It's so good. I love it. I'm only missing the third one. It is Dogman, A Tale of Two Kittens. Yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Do you like Dogman? And what's your favorite book that you've read? If you have read Dogman, or if you've read Captain Underpants, tell me which one you like the best. Yeah. So go to any bookstore near you, and you can get it, and you'll be like one of the first. You'll be one of the first 1,000 people to get it if you get it today, August 12th or 11th. I'm not sure. Whatever day this video is posted. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and turn on the bell. Bye, Pop-Tarts.